Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an aesthetic birthday video in Canva with a step-by-step tutorial. So Canva AI will make it easy for you to create your video clips with beautiful fonts, trendy music, and elegant animations. And here, I'm going to show you how. So you can just head into Canva AI here, in here or at the top right here. And then if you scroll down, you can just search for this prompt template or a prompt example from Canva AI. This one, create an aesthetic happy birthday video. So you can just click on this prompt example. Okay, so this is the prompt. Create a video of a cluster of glossy lavender and coral balloons drift slowly against a flat teal backdrop, all viewed through clear particle ripped glass, and the glass surface bends and displays the balloon forms, peaks, ripples, and soft shear stretch and compress their outlines as they shift behind the grooves. So you can just wait until the video is done. Or here you can also modify the template. You can just copy this prompt in here, copy and paste it in here. Then you can just modify it by, for example, adding the photo of the person who's having a birthday and add the prompt, for example, add this person in the video and says happy birthday with a beautiful phone, for example. And here you can just upload the photo of that person. Okay, so once you're done, you can just click on the video and here click on this drop down to save it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.